What a mighty God we serve. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Why don't you join me? Let's bake some delicious vanilla cake for the family. So let's go. So in a bowl, I add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'll be adding all my dry ingredients. Please note I'll be listing all the ingredients with the quantity in the description box, so check it out, okay? So my dry ingredients are ready, so I add my butter in another bowl. Some sugar, and then with my hand mixer we are going to mix this till it's smooth and fluffy, okay? So whilst mixing or whisking, occasionally you scrape the edges so you add it to the mixture, okay? You can see it's now whiter, smooth and fluffy. So at this point I add my eggs, but gradually. So I add some milk. I am adding fresh milk, but you can choose to add evaporated milk, okay? It's even sweeter, okay? So I whisk, and now at this point I am adding my dry ingredients, of which I have mixed already. So you add it bit by bit, and then you use your spatula to mix it. We are not using the hand mixer here, okay? So I add the remaining flour. Then I add a little vanilla extract to it. Already I have added some vanilla powder to it, okay? Remember, we are making vanilla cake. It was a vanilla and engine, what you see. So now my cake batter is ready, okay? And this is the right consistency that I want. So I have my cake pan here. So I have greased it with some butter and some flour so it doesn't stick when I bake. So I transfer my cake batter into the cake tins and then top it up with some raisins. But I have also preheated my oven already. So I added some pink food color to derive at this color, and then I'll top up with the vanilla butter. Yes, I want a 2-color cake for this one. The kids love it. And voila, after 30 minutes here we are, family. Just look at how simple and beautiful it is. It's eye-catching and mouth-watering. Yes, I did this, and the family, they were like, just give me some more, Evee, just give me some more. Everywhere I go, my kids will be like, we want cake. Yeah, so please follow the step-by-step recipe and let your family enjoy, okay? Just look at this one, this 2-colored cake. Oh my goodness, I know you want to try this, family. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. Thank you so much. God bless you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up whilst we enjoy some beautiful vanilla cake. See you guys. I love you. Bye bye.